Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot. Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, most people who know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're only going to use one account because people who are just starting will only get one account. And I kind of want to emulate the type of income they would make with this simple strategy, guys. You may make more than me, you may make less than me. I can't be entirely sure, but this should be the general idea of what money you making. This works for me, it should work for you, no problem. All right, guys, so before we get started, you interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business is because it's a very good product. It's a funnel builder that's $25 a month with no limitations on it. Now, if you built funnels, you know that $25 for a funnel is insane, with no limitations anyway. Usually that's enough for maybe the beginner, like one funnel thing going on, but for multiple funnels, that's pretty really cheap. And you know, you can make as many funnels you want. You can make as many funnel pages as you want. Connect domains easily. Make subdomains, all kinds of stuff, right? And the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month just to get in the door. And if you want all the limitations off of it, limitations such as how many people can see your funnel, then you're gonna have to pay $300, guys. And it's insane. So, and I used to pay that, but not anymore. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's the first reason. The second reason, I think the reason you guys are interested in promoting it, and why I was personally interested in promoting it as well, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, which is the highest I have ever heard, period. The closest is 40%. The closest I heard is 40%. 80% is twice that. That's insane. Very easy to build up income on this. That's why this strategy works so well with such minimal effort, because you get rewarded so well from getting a sale. All right, guys, so thought is to that. Let's see if we got a sale today. We're gonna refresh the page to show real results. All right, guys, it looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. Sometimes that happens. You gotta keep rolling though. You gotta keep the bus moving. So anyway, guys, one more thing before we leave here. Make sure people refresh their page when they show you their results, so you can really trust them. Because there's people that can easily change all these numbers around and make it look like whatever they want it to look like. But it refreshes and show real results when you refresh. That's why I don't believe the stats unless they refresh the page. All right, guys, so let's go into the mailing system here. We're gonna go and get started on this. Click on that. We're gonna click on Outnet's email, which is all right here. It's Outnet's email here. You can easily copy this if you want to. I'll pause it, let you copy. Look at it real quick. That's the email there. Very simple. All right, guys. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Very simple email. You can pause at any moment. Put your link right here. The link you want to use is this one here, all-in-one $25 business, since it sells two different recurring incomes, guys. One is $20, one's $100. It means you can get $120 every month from one customer, which is insane. So yeah, so that's the link that you want to use. You put it right there. You make sure the link works with preview. I know it works because I sent this email before. Make sure you hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around the time people check their emails, so it's at the top of the email list. You got a better chance of being seen. All right, so you send the email and we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple, very easy to do, very quick. And this is all you have to do every morning to build up some income. It's all it takes, guys. If you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.